Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on Delta Force Mobile. First, ensure your PS4 controller is fully charged for a seamless experience, providing up to 7 hours of gameplay. Next, close any background applications on your mobile device, freeing up system resources. Then, navigate to your phone settings and activate its Bluetooth feature. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth connection process. To activate pairing mode, press and hold the share button and the PS button on your controller simultaneously. The light bar will begin to flash rapidly, indicating it is discoverable. Now, open your mobile device's Bluetooth settings and wait for wireless controller to appear in the available devices list. Tap on it to initiate the pairing process, then confirm any prompts on your screen. A steady light on your controller signifies a successful connection. Once your controller is paired, open Delta Force Mobile. Navigate to the game's settings menu, typically found on the main screen. Look for the Controls or Gamepad section. Here, you should see an option to enable or manage controller input. Test your controller by moving joysticks or pressing buttons. The game should respond immediately, confirming the connection is active and ready for play. Within Delta Force Mobile's control settings, you can fully customize your button layout. Remap actions like shooting, jumping, and reloading to your preferred buttons for optimal comfort and reaction time. Additionally, fine-tune the aiming and movement sensitivity sliders to achieve precise control, which is crucial for competitive play. Always save your custom profile after making changes, and don't hesitate to experiment with different setups to find your perfect configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.